Brand new Supra. I like it, man. This the launch edition?
That's the launch edition.
It's already spoken for?
Well, it's number 1247.
Dang.
We supposed to get 004. We didn't get it.
Oh, that would have been.
004, yeah.
Yeah.
We're supposed to get that one.
But I mean, these cars are going to be super sought after.
I mean, if you take a look at the invoice, it's 57, but at least it's going to sell a lot for 95 grand. Yeah.
Did you hear that? 57, because it's a launch edition, probably about 90.
Hell no, to the no, no, no.
Nah, somebody gonna buy it if they haven't already. All right, YouTube, it's your boy 728 Autos back with a video for you. I don't know if the cell phone gonna pick that up, man. Ah, man, it does not get old. It's been months since I installed the intake. It does not get old at all, man. Go ahead and let y'all hear what that thing sound like, man. It's been so long. Yeah, you ain't spent a thing. Y'all can hear all that good turbo noise. Whooshy whoosh. Give y'all a good pull real quick, man. Never mind traffic. I sure was finna hit it on this mud, but damn. Man, that never, ever is gonna get old, man. I know I did a video, like, after I did the install, when I did the tune, reflash, but I never did just a video of the noise, man. And I know this is the best camera angle in the world, ain't it?
No.
And remember, this is a Injen Intake for the MK7 Volkswagen Golf GTI _ like the name is so long. But anyway, yeah, man, enjoy some of these noises. Let me shut up. Yeah, man, y'all hear them spoolie boy noises? Call me spoolie boy Troy up in the building. Got the turbo spooling. Spooling got a drooling. Anyway, man, this is just a little old short video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you didn't, I hope you enjoyed the next one. So hit the subscribe button and the like button. I'll catch you next video. Peace.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. I'm in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the box. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Subscribe.